नमस्कार इंदौर, मैं हूं सनिल और आप देख रहे हैं इंदौर टॉक। आज इंदौर टॉक की टीम आपको लेकर आई है विक्रांत ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन के इंदौर कैंपस में 3rd, 4th एंड 5th मार्च को होने वाला साल का सबसे बड़ा एनुअल फेस्ट, जो कि इस इंस्टीट्यूट का एक बहुत बड़ा मेगा इवेंट होने वाला है, जहां पर होने वाले हैं ढेर सारे कल्चरल प्रोग्राम्स, कॉम्पिटिशन्स, टेक फेस्ट और सबसे बड़ी बात यहाँ पर होगा एका बैंड का लाइव परफॉर्मेंस। और क्या क्या खास होने वाला है इस एनुअल फेस्ट में, बात करेंगे विक्रांत ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन इंदौर कैंपस के मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर श्री नितिन सिंह तोमर जी से। सर बहुत बहुत स्वागत है सर आपका इंदौर टॉक में।
थैंक यू सनिल।
सर सबसे पहले तो ये जानना चाहूँगा कि ये हर साल एनुअल फेस्ट होता है क्वार्थ 2020, तो इस बार के क्वार्थ में क्या खास होने वाला है? पिछले साल के मुकाबले कितना ग्रैंड होने वाला है ये इवेंट?
Sanil, I must tell you about the background of Quartz actually.
हाँ बिल्कुल।
See, we started in 2007 as an institution. We started in 2007. The first cultural fest that we organized was in 2011. Okay. And the name given by Quartz stands for Quench Your Thirst. That was given by our students. And that in 2011 we started for the first time. Now this will be the 10th celebration of the cultural fest. Okay. And the basic thing about this fest is this is for the students and by the students. So everything is done by the students, the planning, the organization, the getting the sponsorship, getting the arrangements, tents and all, everything is done by basically the students. We and the teachers are there just to support them. Okay. Now that way it is little larger than the events that we organize around the year. We have another location, Gwalior as well. The complete team of the Gwalior, around 500 students are traveling from Gwalior to Indore. Okay. They are coming here and they will be celebrating along with us. So that's one annual function for both the groups actually, and I think that makes it much larger than the previous years.
सर एथेना 2020 जो इस बार क्वार्थ का इस बार के एनुअल फेस्ट का एक हिस्सा है, जो कि 3rd एंड 4th को ऑर्गेनाइज होने वाला है। टेक फेस्ट इसको आपने नाम दिया एथेना, शायद लास्ट ईयर भी हुआ था, इसके पहले काफ़ी सालों से होता आ रहा है। थोड़ा सा डिटेलिंग हम जानना चाहते हैं, कितनी एक्टिविटीज़ होंगी, किस टाइप की एक्टिविटीज़ होंगी, और क्योंकि टेक फेस्ट है तो इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स के लिए तो मैंडेटरी हो ही गया, अदर जो स्टूडेंट्स इनरोल करना चाहते हैं, चाहे फिर वो मैनेजमेंट के हो या अदर कोर्सेज के लिए, तो उनके लिए क्या क्या इस इवेंट में उनके लिए क्या क्या रहेगा खास?
Okay, I'll just tell you about Athena as well. You know, Athena, it came in 2014 by the students of electronics and communication. We had a very good batch who was coming out, and they came up with a plan कि let us organize a technical fest. And technical fest is something which is, you know, एक engineering college की एक जान होता है technical fest. So that was something we started in 2014, the Athena for the first time. After that we continued. This year the best part is we are having it combined with the cultural fest. Okay. Because every year we had a separate technical fest and a separate cultural fest, but this year we are having it one single show with both the institution Indore and Gwalior. Okay. Now Athena again has gone bigger along with the number of activities, number of events that we have had, and the number of response we have been getting. Every year around 30 engineering colleges, the students of 30 engineering colleges participate in that. Achha. This year we are expecting anywhere around 40-45 engineering colleges along with nursing and the management colleges.
ये सारे colleges local हैं, मतलब या out of इंदौर या जिले के?
So they are basically from all over MP. Okay. All over MP. Majorly क्या होता है, the students don't travel because they have to come by the morning and they have to leave in the night. So basically they usually come from the nearby areas. But we have covered the Indore, Ujjain, Devas basically, and from Gwalior as well because we are marketing in Gwalior. इस इवेंट में लाइक जैसे जो स्टूडेंट्स से पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहते हैं, अदर देन विक्रांत ग्रुप इंस्टीट्यूट के जो बच्चे हैं, वो कैसे कर सकते हैं? क्या प्रोसीजर है सर इसका, या कोई फीस भी रखी गई है? Yeah, see, we have the posters and we have been marketing our posters. The students have visited all the engineering college, the management and the nursing college all over Indore basically, and they have given presentation in the canteens. जितने भी canteens हैं इंदौर में सारे colleges की, our students have gone there. They have, you know, put down the posters and all everywhere. They have explained it to the students, all the activities. They will have to, there is a number which we have given. They can call on that number. They can ask the details because there is an entry fee for each and every student. Achha. So because we are giving cash prizes as well. Okay. So when the student comes in with their project or whatever they are bringing, they will have to, you know, call that number, ask them for the entry fees and the number of activities being held and what time the activities is. They can come down either, or the students who are going for marketing, they even carry the registration slips. Okay. So they can participate in. Online if they are doing it, they can leave their number there. Our team will call them back for the event. On the spot registration is also there.
So इस बार जो है लाइव परफॉर्मेंस में एका रॉक बैंड का कॉन्सर्ट डिज़ाइन करा गया है 4th of March को। क्या खास होने वाला है, कितना क्राउड एक्सपेक्टेड है, पासेस कैसे मिलने वाले हैं, ये सबसे बड़ा सवाल है क्योंकि इसकी इंक्वायरीज काफ़ी आ रही हैं।
Right. See, Eka, I mean, I personally know Eka, and they are a part of Euphoria band, the oldest band which we came across. So they are the most entertaining band in India right now.
Okay.
And I mean, that was something that attracted us. Eka has performed over 2,400 concerts all over India and world, and across 16 countries almost.
Okay.
So they are a big band. So we wanted the our students are basically because it's a celebration of a group this time, Gwalior and Indore students coming together.
Acha.
So that was the reason we wanted, to call some big band which which mesmerizes that particular evening basically. So Eka, we are looking forward to almost the participation from again all the colleges, and the somewhere entry of somewhere around 2,500 we are expecting. We already printed passes and all. We are distributing passes through our channel partners as well, and the students and the faculties and the Gwalior faculty, they are all coming in for this, and they are really very excited. Students are very excited. Along with that, we might have some other fillers and some stand-up comedians even coming in at the same time, which will the youth, today's youth need rock bands and the stand-up comedians. This is what again, as I said, it is organized by the youth and for the youth, so why not just satisfy them, give them the best what we can.
ये जो इवेंट्स होते हैं, जो एक्टिविटीज़ होती हैं जिनमें स्टूडेंट्स का पार्टिसिपेशन होता है, जनरली कॉलेजेस अपने एकेडमिक्स के लिए जाने जाते हैं. ऐसे में ऐसे इवेंट्स इन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कैसे हेल्पफुल रहते हैं? कितना उनको बिल्टअप करने के लिए अपनी पर्सनालिटी या अपने एक्सपोजर को बढ़ावा देने के लिए कितने मददगार साबित होते हैं?
See, first let me tell you, we have few activities which are signature activities of Vikrant, which we have every year we organize. Okay. One is again the Quoth, the Quench Your Thirst every year. That's a cultural fest. One is an Athena, it's a tech fest. One is a Eureka. Eureka is basically for the school-going students, wherein they show their technical know-how, wherein they bring their projects and all. Then the again is a Vikrant Premier League. That's a cricket and the football and all kind of sports tournament that we have. Now, overall, what's happening is the students who are, especially the engineers and all, they have a very tight schedule. The kind of curriculum that universities has given us, that's very strict, and they spend almost 9 to 4 in the evening. Morning 9 to evening 4, they spend their time here. So we need to give them some time wherein they can even explore themselves, maybe their hobbies. There's something which they wanted to do, they can't do it. So we make sure that every Saturday we give them time for this kind of activities. Okay. We even invite them to come on Sundays and participate in others. We have recently developed our newly cricket ground, wherein we are promoting the students to come and play, especially on the Saturdays. And if the students excel in that, if they want to do that, then what we have done is we have done a certain slot for 2 to 4 in the evening. Achha. Every day they are free to opt. There are certain clubs for the personality development basically. So all kind of clubs wherein they are interested in dramas, literatures, music. So students can participate in those clubs only during 2 to 4.
एकेडमिक्स के साथ साथ आज हर कॉलेज जो है प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर पे ध्यान देता है. आजकल वोकेशनल कोर्सेज का काफ़ी सिनेरियो हो गया है. ऐसे में विक्रांत ग्रुप इस स्टूडेंट्स की प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर के लिए क्या क्या स्टेप्स उठाता है? ऑब्वियसली जो एनुअल फेस्ट है, ऐसे इवेंट्स तो हम ऑर्गेनाइज करवाते ही हैं. क्या इसके अलावा कोई एज सच कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ होती हैं या कोई टूर्स रहते हैं या कंपनी विजिट्स रहती हैं या कोई इस टाइप की, ताकि बच्चों को और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर मिल सके, ताकि वो जब कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में जाएँ तो उनको कोई भी चीज़ का फेयर ना हो कि नहीं यार ये चीज़ तो हमने फेस करा ही नहीं है, इसका एक्सपीरियंस अभी तक हमने नहीं लिया.
See, as of now, we were just talking about the overall development, the personality. But for the academic development of the students, we are, we organizing the educational tours that we organize. We have a very good exchange program that I think we are the only one having it, wherein our students travels to, Hyderabad, some of the universities in Hyderabad, they are traveling to Shimla as a part of exchange program. We call it VXCP, wherein Vikrant students are traveling for the exchange. Other than that, there are so many industrial tours that they are organizing, and for the local, because we are fortunate enough to be located here, which is quite near to the Pithampur industrial area. And Pithampur is, they got thousands and thousands of industries, and so my students from this college, they travel down to for mechanical, civil, electrical, whatever companies are needed. We get a very good exposure with them.
सर मेरे पीछे देख सकता हूँ ये जो वॉल ऑफ फेम है, ये जो ट्रॉफी से सजी हुई ये जो अलमीरा है, काफ़ी अलग अलग कैटेगरी में जो है स्टूडेंट्स ने और कॉलेज ने अवार्ड जीते हैं. काफ़ी रिसेंट ईयर्स में विक्रांत ग्रुप को हमने देखा है काफ़ी चीज़ों में एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड आपको मिले हैं, चाहे वो कैप्टन ऑफ इंडस्ट्री अवार्ड हो या एक्सीलेंस इन एजुकेशन हो, अभी रिसेंट क्या क्या कैटेगरी में अवार्ड इंस्टीट्यूट को मिले हैं, और क्या स्टूडेंट्स, कुछ स्टूडेंट तो शायद नेशनल लेवल पे भी अपने मार्क अचीव करके आए हैं, थोड़ा सा उस बारे में अगर बताएं।
Basically, I'll just tell you these awards have been won by our students only,
Okay,
not
wow.
by the institution. Basically, so because whenever they win it, that's our win actually. So this is what the result the students have given us. Now our students have, for consecutive 3 years they have been topping the university, especially in the fire technology. We've got a gold medalist who's coming in. I mean, see, we are not new in fire technology. We have just recently, it's been 6 years now, but consecutive 3 years we have been giving the university toppers and the gold medalists from the university. That is the academic part. Our mechanical students have been participating in national kart racing championships and all, wherein they have won national kart racing championship in Sholapur. They have won one in Hyderabad. I mean, that is something good. And they made a e-kart as well, wherein that was the category they won. That is that trophy in the top. That was for that, the e-kart. And wow. And so n number of activities that the students are participating. I mean, we make sure at least they should participate. Even if they lose, that is not a big issue. I mean, at least when they participate, they get a self-confidence that they develop within themselves is much more important than winning.
मुझे कहीं ना कहीं आपकी बातों से विक्रांत ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस के आइडियोलॉजी का रिफ्लेक्शन मिल रहा है, और शायद ये आइडियोलॉजी का रिफ्लेक्शन ही है कि बच्चों को ना सिर्फ एकेडमिक्स पे जोर दिया जाता है, बल्कि पार्टिसिपेशन इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. विनिंग एंड लूजिंग इज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ पार्टिसिपेशन का एक हिस्सा होता है, पर मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट इज द पार्टिसिपेशन. एंड मेरे ख्याल से इनोवेशन के लिए हमेशा रेडी रहना, एक माइंड सेट फॉर द इनोवेशन, मेरे ख्याल से ये सबसे ज़रूरी है. सो लास्ट, एनी फाइनल कंक्लूजन मैसेज फ्रॉम योर साइड?
I would want each and every students who's listening, basically the students or maybe any kind of crowd, they should come in and participate in this activity, overall activity. I mean, they should come in and participate, see the standards that we have set here, and be a part of Eka celebration on 4th evening. And the passes are available, as he said, as Sanil said, is available on the channel partners, and Indore Talk is one of them. You can collect the passes on the spot. Registrations are also there, and we'll make sure that you are not dissatisfied. We'll make sure the evening is very enjoyable to you. Thank you.
तो इवनिंग रॉकिंग होने वाली है, इवेंट उससे ज़्यादा रॉकिंग होने वाला है, तो जुड़े रहें. और भी ज़्यादा डिटेल अगर आप जानना चाहते हैं इस इवेंट से रिलेटेड, तो दिए गए नंबर पे आप कॉल कर सकते हैं. वेबसाइट जो है विक्रांत ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस की, जितने भी सोशल हैंडल्स हैं आप उन पे विजिट करके आप सारी डिटेल्स ले सकते हैं. एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, कीप वॉचिंग, फॉलोइंग अस ऑन इंदौर टॉक. सारी अपडेट्स आपको मिलती रहेगी. तो तब तक के लिए जुड़े रहें, देखते रहें इंदौर टॉक. नमस्कार.